Hello, dear children. Today, I will tell you about something very interesting and useful: proportions. Proportions are a way we can compare different things to understand them better. Let us see how the forest residents deal with this topic. On the meadow, Mole and Fawn met. Mole, full of enthusiasm, asked Fawn how to compare the number of acorns to nuts. Fawn, dreamy as always, started counting on her fingers, but quickly got confused. Mole, though forgetful, tried to help, but they both ended up laughing, not knowing how to do it. In the end, I explained to them that proportions are a way to compare two numbers to see how they relate to each other. Badger and Fox met by the stream. Badger explained to Fox that proportions are like comparing the lengths of the tunnels he digs to the length of Fox's tail. Fox, clever as always, quickly understood that if Mole's tunnel is 10 times longer than his tail, then the proportion of the tunnel's length to the tail's length is 10 to 1. In the end, I explained to them that proportions help us understand how one thing relates to another in a simple way. Bunny and Mouse met on the meadow to test their knowledge. I asked them a question. If we have 4 carrots and 16 apples, what is the proportion of carrots to apples? Bunny, impulsive as always, quickly answered that it is 1 to 4. Mouse, cautious but curious, confirmed that it is true because 4 is a quarter, which is 1/4 of 16. Both animals answered correctly, showing that they understood the topic well. Proportions are a very useful tool that helps us compare different things. They allow us to better understand how one thing relates to another. I hope you now know how to use proportions in your daily life. See you next time, dear children.